na nanalo siya here locally, I knew she was going to win Reina Hispano-Americana. I really knew. Because she is such a performer. Di ba singer siya? Napanood, di ba siya kumanta sa RHA stage? Oh my God, I love it. Super, super love it. May new RH crown na tayo. Pwede ka na mag-MUPH crown. Wow, sana. Diba? But, sorry, that is my mother. Luna, you say hi. It's just mommy. Hi, everybody. Thoughts po kay Dia. Oh my God. Pang ilang winner. Dia is the second Reina Hispano-Americana. I'm the first. She's the 8th. Tama ba? 8 na siya na pinadala. So, sobrang lucky. She's number 8. 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ano? Pang 9 ba siya? 8 or 9? I am so happy that she won. Super. 7. Pang 7? Pang 7 ba siya? Hindi, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Pang 8? Pang 8?
Mas iPad daw.
Hindi kasi last year lang siya nanalo.
iPad daw, iPad. Mama, iPad.
Ay, okay. Go get Yaya iPad daw. Go. Siyempre, nagmamat kami dito, di ba? Hindi namin sure. Pang 8. Pang 8. Swerte. Pang 8 na siya na pinadala.
17.
Mukhang pinagpahinga ka na sa RHA kasi you're, sana, no? Let's see. Kumakanta din ba si Winwin? Alam nyo guys, kumakanta ako pag karaoke. Pero huwag nyo na ako pakantahin. Filipinas na ba? No, ang pinakamarami I think is Venezuela. If I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure how. Wow, thank you. I am glowing. Kanina, naka-live ako, pero nag-off ako kasi nga, si Dia Mate, magko-compete today, so nanood kami ng live. And then, kaninang 6:30 in the morning, nasa flag ceremony ako ng Muntinlupa. So, I was there. Thank you kay Mayor Biazon, kila Miss Trina Biazon, kasi they've been so helpful. Alam nila, before ako nag-announce, talagang tinago nila, hindi nila sinabi. So, thank you. Pero yes, again, si Dia Mate, oh my God, I'm so happy, di ba anak? Kasi nakausap ko siya, na-meet ko siya, and then we talk sa Instagram. I followed her journey dito sa Reina. Talagang tinitingin ako sa mga ginagawa niya. I'm also very close to the organization, but I didn't ask about her, of course. But na magugustuhan nila siya kasi yung ugali niya sobrang bait, sobrang humble siya. And sobrang talented niya. Ang galing-galing niya. I love it. I'm so happy. Yung kumanta siya sa stage, napaano ako, pinakanta. Sorry. Diba? Sobrang galing. Yes, her confidence is umabot hanggang Pilipinas. Super umabot. And I'm so happy she won. So, Dia, kailangan mabagal yung lakad niya. So, Dia, congratulations! Lahat kami dito sa congratulations kayo kay Dia. Go! Oo, nanalo si Dia. We're so happy here sa bahay. Nanonood talaga kami. Even si Luna nanood kanina. So, congrats! I love it! Ay, sana sign talaga, no? Sobrang Latina. Sobrang Latina talaga siya. Ano pa? Oh, wow. Miss Winwin, what if this is a sign? I wanna take it as a sign. Of course, wala namang mawawala, diba? Pero let's focus on Dia because she is our new queen. Ang gandang pasok ng 2025. She is our first siya ata ba first ng 2025, diba? I'm so happy. Really happy. So I'm editing this live sa kanya. I don't know if she's gonna see this. I'm sure she's gonna be super busy. But I'm so happy. And alam nyo, sobrang similar kasi when I won Reina Hispano-Americana, pagbalik ko, ano yun, bench fashion show. And rumampa ako ng bench fashion show after I won. Binigyan nila ako ng spot doon. Ngayon, si Dia, I know, and I saw her posts, nakasali din siya sa bench fashion show. Ang galing! It's very similar and I'm just really, really happy. Super happy for her. Alam nyo, wala kasing prototype ang RHA. But RHA, Reina is really big on attitude. I feel like it, Attitude, performance, all in one. Kasi from the day na umapa ka sa Bolivia, binabantayan ka na nila kung ano yung attitude mo. Siyempre, towards the other girls as well. Aanhin mo naman yung galing-galing mo naman mag-perform, yung attitude mo naman hindi. Diba? So happy. We have a second crown. I am so happy. As in. Super, super duper happy.
I know.
Nako, sana guys, alam nyo, ipag-pray na lang natin na ganon. But win or lose, again, I am not expecting anything. I just want to give my best when I am on stage and off stage as well. If ibibigay sa atin, di ba? Thank you. Kung hindi naman, thank you pa din kasi alam kong nagawa ko yung gusto kong gawin, which is very, very important. And yes, bago ngayon, nakaayos ako. So usually, pag nagla-live ako sa TikTok, this is my third. Hindi talaga ako nakaayos sa first two. But now, galing kasi akong flag ceremony. So yeah. I know being part of Miss Universe Philippines is already an achievement. For me, it's a win. Diba? So super happy. Love your makeup, fresh and thing. Thank you. I did my own makeup. Yes. Hindi naman kailangan pak na pak lagi ang makeup. Diba? Kailangan fresh-freshan din. Ooh, sawadika. How do I say that? Sawadika? Sawadika? In Thai? Please teach me how. I've been to Thailand twice. And I love it there. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko. Nag-ikot kami doon. Bitin ang 3 days nung una na yung punta doon. Super, super love it. Ang saya. Thank you, guys. I know Dia Mate won. I love it. I am not part of the bench fashion show. No, I am not. Okay, my advocacy is, syempre, I'm also a mother, and I've been passionate with a lot of things. I think you know that. I've been doing a lot of things since 2017 na dire-diretso. But now, I am focusing on women's holistic health. So that is reproductive health, and mental health, because that goes hand in hand, diba? Physical and mental health goes hand in hand. So it's really not talked about much. I've talked about my PCOS and endometrioma journey, and it's really, dun ko na-realize kung gaano ka-importante ang holistic health ng babae. At the same time, not a lot of people are educated, or they're not really aware of those things, and there are process talaga na kailangan nilang alam. But there are also safe places, because it's very intimidating to talk about, and I understand that, but there are safe places to do that. Kindred is one of the organizations that I'm working with closely. Believe in them talaga. And they provide affordable healthcare, especially for women. They're women-centric. So sana malabas ko yung story ko about that advocacy, and ma-share ko sa lahat ng women na meron tayong spaces for that, and why we need to understand our reproductive health and of course mental health as well. Describe yourself in 3 words. I think I am confident. I would want to say that I am confident. I am competent since ang dami ko na rin nagawa in life na requires discipline. And another one is, I'd like to say I'm kind. Diba? Kindness is everything. I think Dia Mate also answered that. Kindness is number 1. I know, panalo si Dia Mate. I'm so happy she won. Alam nyo, lahat ng sasali ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025, malalakas. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Malalakas lahat. They're all beautiful. I've seen some of the photos, but I haven't met them personally. Si Katrina, she's a Reina. She's Reina also. So I met her, and she's super pretty, beautiful, she's very kind. Lahat malalakas. I like your kilay po. Thank you. You know what I'm using, Get ready with me, yung brow chururut nila. Yes. Yes, brow gel. Yung brow gel nila na super nice. Kasi kulay parang bronze ba siya or something. Ate Jen, pa-open naman yun. Super happy. Sa lahat po na nasa Muntinlupa kanina, all the employees there, thank you. I had to go agad because I had another schedule. Pero yung next ko naman na-cancel. Kaya nandito ako. Pero thank you sa support na binigay sa akin ng Muntinlupa. Mayor Rufy, si Sir Mayor Biazon, and of course the council, Tita Tez, TICAD, Gender and Development, I think, program nila also. Ganda ng teeth mo. Thank you. Thank you, guys. That's my natural teeth. I know, pinasa ko ng corona sa kanya. She is the new Reina Hispano. Wala naman siya dito, pero nag-feeling ako nandyan siya. But yeah, I'm so happy for her. Super. Siyempre, another crown for the Philippines. Wow. Another letter. I think, alam nyo guys, sinabi ko dun, I posted something and I answered this then nung press con. I really don't think that I am a Latina Slayer. I don't think I won because ganon. Sorry, kumakanta yung anak ko. I feel like I won because, you know, I felt the love ng Latinas as much as I love them. So, yun ang para sa akin. I don't want to say that I am a Latina Slayer. Hello! Wow, ang daming nanonood. Hello sa inyo. I think I'm going to leave when... Nakakatawa pag every time nag-live ako, paubos na rin yung battery ko. J-Hope! Concert ni J-Hope, guys. Gusto ko manood. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakanood ako. Paano ba makakuha ng tickets? And the date kasi malapit na sa... It's during Miss Universe Philippines season. Yes, dalawa na kami ni Dia. I'm so happy. May dalawa tayong Reina Hispano-Americana. So happy. Sorry, yung anak ko naglalaro. Luna! Okay, I'm just reading your, yung mga, totoo po ba na, wait, totoo po ba? sagutin natin yan. Totoo po ba pang runner-up lang kung may anak na? I don't know. But I want to give a benefit of the doubt to the Miss Universe organization. Di ba may nag-top 5? Si Venezuela ata yung nag-top 5. Mommy din siya. And being on the top 5 is such an accomplishment. And I am so proud that a mother was there because we knew how dedicated she was. I'm not saying the others wasn't dedicated, pero ang saya ko na makakita na kapwa nanay ko nandun, di ba? Na pinapakita na kaya namin. Nag-lunch na. Excited ka ba sa Thailand? Oh, excited ako. Excited ako sa Miss Universe Thailand na doon gagawin. Siyempre, malapit lang din sa atin dito. My plans for Valentine's Day, I have a lot of things to do. I have lots of things to prepare. At the same time, if wala akong schedule or may dead time, I want to stay at home and stay with my family, especially with Luna. May tagapagmana ka na. Ang galing naman yung tagapagmana. Parang brilyante lang na. Binigay ko na ang brilyante sa kanya. May makakapag-edit ba nun? Nandito yung brilyante, Ruby. Tapos ibigay ko sa kanya. Alam nyo guys, yung question na sa tingin nyo kung sino yung competition, sino yung pinakamalakas, I don't think kailangang sagutin yon kasi for me, lahat kami pantay-pantay. Lahat kaming girls na sasali. Alam ko na we're really training for what we're joining. And I appreciate lahat yon and ayokong magsabi ng mas malakas, mas ganito, no? We have to see everyone performing on stage. So, yes. What is that? Trending ka na? Trending na naman ako sa TikTok. Paano ko malalaman kung trending ako? Ganun ba yon? Paano mo malaman kung nagtitrending? Talaga? Ganun ba yon? Any message kay Dia? Dia, I know you're not watching this, but I hope makarating to sa'yo. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. It's okay, you can walk. Dia, I love you. You are amazing. I knew it. I told you that you were gonna win. Congratulations, my Reina. Lagi ako nagko-comment sa'yo ng my Reina because you are my Reina. You know, sabi nga nila, minsan nare-redirect lang tayo sa ibang bagay and this one was meant for you. So, congratulations. All your hard work, lahat ng efforts mo, ayan na, nagbunga na. So, congratulations. Yes! Malapit na mag 1 million yung Instagram ko. Pati ako nagulat, guys. I love you. Uy, ba't biglang parang nagbago yung itsura ko doon? Ano yun? I love you guys. Sa lahat ng follow sa akin sa Instagram and new followers, hindi ko in-expect biglang almost 1 million. I think I'm at 997 already, so thank you. But here on TikTok, you guys, you're 3.8 million. I love you guys. I will try my best to post. But sabi ko nga, mas gusto ko ng mag-TikTok live na lang para nakakausap ko kayo. What's the difference of win-win from 2015 to 20 ngayon? I would want to say that I'm the same win-win na competitive and the same win-win performer on stage. That I want to tell you. That I want you to remember. Yes, nabalitaan ko na guys. Kanina pa ako nandito. Yun yung pinag-uusapan namin. 'Di ba? Nag-uusap kami dito. Super happy. Super happy. I know there are the same questions that are lumalabas kasi nga baka hindi nila naabutan yung una. But again, super happy. Super, super happy for, Dia. Instagram live on the... Di ba pala kung sabi ng app pala? Instagram live... Ay! Mali sinasabi ko. Live on that app. Okay. Sabi nga, tinuruan niyo ako bago muli magsabi na ibang app. Someone here is from Vietnam. I can see pero ang bilis na umakyat. Whoever you are from Vietnam, hello to you. Thank you for watching this live. Mommy. I'm a mommy of Miss Universe. Alam niyo guys, hindi lang ako ang mommy ng nasasali ha. I wanna inform you about that. I know may sasali pang isang mom and please correct me if I'm wrong. I think she's from Bacolod. And I'm so excited to meet her. I'm so excited to talk to her kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, ano yung pinagdaanan niya. I would really love to meet her. I would want to connect to her as well. If you know her name or if you know her account, please tell me. Because saludo din ako sa kanya. Like, I'm amazed. So, there are 3 mothers. Tama po ba? Alam ko kasi from Bacolod. Nako, syempre, hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kung anong susuotin ko. Okay, I am only eligible. I think I've answered this with all my lives. I'm only eligible for the Miss Universe Philippines crown. I don't think I can win any other crown. Yes. But if in any case, 'di ba, kung walang age limit talaga and kung walang ibang rules, kung magbigay sila ng ibang crown sa akin, okay lang sa akin. But for my case, I am only eligible for the Miss Universe Philippines crown. I will have to say bye in a few minutes. Yes, natural po yung teeth ko. Yes, that is natural. Nag-braces po ako ng matagal. Are you sit down? No, okay. You're eating the lunch? Okay. You cannot define beauty in one word. That is for sure. Beauty, sounds cliche. Like what I've said. If nakapanood niyo yung press con, beauty is... Talagang nag-isip no? Beauty is subjective. Diba? It's really about how you treat other people, how you, present yourself to other people. So, it's just not physically talaga. So, you can't define it in one word. I feel like we have to be... Siguro, ano ba? Siyempre napag-isip ako. But no, you cannot define it in one word. That is for sure. What's important in today's society? Why is beauty important in today's society? Alam nyo, ang maganda kasi, kung maganda yung attitude nyo. And I think that is what's important in today's society. We have to be always, again, kind to each other because we live in such a cruel world. And the best thing to do is just to be kind and understand that everyone's going through something. And, you know, we will never know. Walang masama na maging mabait sa kapwa. Sana, let's manifest, guys. Let's manifest. Paulit-ulit yung thoughts na nalo si Dia Mate. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita tungkol kay Dia. Pero hindi ako titigil. Sobrang happy ko na nanalo siya. As in. May I ask what is your platform? My platform? What do you mean? My advocacy? I'll answer that also a while ago. But again, it's women's holistic health. I am 5'6". People are so interested with everybody's height. Yes po, sasali po ako. So, wait lang. Happy birthday sa lahat na mag-happy birthday. Ay, sa lahat na mag-happy birthday. Happy birthday sa lahat na mag-birthday. Sabaw lang. Tips sa Q&A. Tips sa Q&A. Read. Be aware of current events. Talk to people. Ask about what their views on things. Diba? Makita nyo lang kung ano yung iba't ibang opinions ng ibang tao. And yeah. Read. Yung sabaw moment sa pagkabit ng sash, kasi nga hindi tatanggal yung ano, 'di ba sa sash parang may velcro? Hindi natanggal yung velcro kaya tumalikod ako kasi tinanggal ko. Tapos yun, tinikit ko na siya. My daughter is 2 years old. Kupang, Hillsboro. I stayed there. Yeah, I know. May bago na tayong Reyna. I'm so happy. So happy. Again, congratulations, Dia. Guys, don't ask me about about Gabby Garcia because I do not know. Pero alam ko siya ang bagong host ng PBB. And I'm so happy for her. So, you have to ask another person about that kung sasali siya o hindi. Ang alam ko, host siya ng PBB. So, malamala hindi siya sasali. Yes, my official hashtag is win the universe. Hashtag win the universe. guys, I think I have to go. Thank you again for being so energetic. You guys. Yun lang, in-on ko to kasi gusto ko mag-update and mag-thank you sa lahat ng nasa flag ceremony a while ago for the warm welcome sa Muntinlupa. And gusto ko rin the crown back to Philippines. So, congratulations, Dia. So happy for you. So guys, I have to go. So ulitin, magla-live ako ulit soon. Hindi ko sasabihin kung kailan. Bigla na lang ako mag-on ng live. So, bye guys! Thank you! Babu!